Chapter 22 of The Sound of Light has this as its title: Deep beneath you, the roots of love grow. There have been some storms, haven't there, beloved? The world we see, plowed, planted, populated, peopled, is the world of red skies, winds and wild cards, black swans and white elephants. No one ever prepares us for how life twists and turns, tumbles and rumbles its way forward. It is as if we must try not to believe life is so, because if we admit it, things will get worse, not better. How not so with God? You've been through a lot. You've watched with your eyes, felt with your skin, tasted with your tongue, breathed in, for better or worse, with your nose. You've listened with your ears to the sensual symphony of life above ground. We judge our security and stability by the world we experience on the surface. We succumb to the cartwheeling allures and the caterwauling cries of power and glory, jewels to be sought, bought, earned, and stored. But we cannot forget when we felt most safe: the rocking of the cradle by the family that accepted us, or the hugging of friends who came along when the family didn't, who loved us exactly for who we were. Exactly who you are, beloved, is someone not fully living in the shining and glimmering world of the seen, but more and more abiding in the soil of the unseen. A place teeming with heat, life, and creativity, as the decay is received and reworked by some of the tiniest creatures on earth. You are rooting in the invisible. You are germinating in the unseen love of the one who made you. Sublime beauty is the invisible made visible. Your essence is rooted and routed, reaching out countless fingers in every direction into the nourishing soil of the one who never leaves or forsakes you. Rest in your roots. Luxuriate in the deep part of you, the underground quiet places where you're so close it's hard to tell where you end and God begins. You exist there, you know. Roots grow deep so that plants can nourish in the light. All you have to do is receive God's love for you. The one who loves all creation will hold you close. There's no need to fear the unknown, because that is the way to the heights and heaven. Beloved, beloved, beloved.